Hi dear friends, welcome to my channel. Here I share a healthy recipe, drumstick leaves egg thoran or moringa thoran. It's a Kerala dish involves with the drumstick leaves, egg and carrot. These all three main ingredients gives highly healthy contents only. Most of us have aversion towards the drumstick leaves due to slight bitter taste. If you are one among them, then this recipe is must try. Let us check the preparation method. Moringa mutta thoran is ready to eat. Moringa is a rich antioxidant and may lower the blood sugar level. Nowadays we get the dry moringa from the shops. Try this healthy recipe. Reply your comment. Please subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon. Otherwise you can't get the notification. Meet you soon with another easy recipe. Thank you.